If you need to create a citation with multiple sources in Microsoft Word, this video will walk you through the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're writing an essay, a report, or any academic document, combining multiple sources into one citation can help you keep your work clean, professional, and properly formatted. In just a few minutes, you'll know exactly how to insert one citation and then add a second source inside the same parentheses without making formatting mistakes. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and quick how-to guides. Now, let's jump into Microsoft Word and get started. First, place your cursor where you want the citation to appear in your document. This is usually right after the sentence or fact you're supporting with sources. Then, go to the References tab at the top of Microsoft Word. In the Citations and Bibliography section, click Insert Citation. If you haven't added any sources yet, choose Add New Source and enter the details for your first source. Once that first citation is inserted, Microsoft Word will place it in your document. Now here's the important part. To add multiple sources in the same citation, keep the cursor right inside that same parenthesis area. Go back to Insert Citation again and choose your second source from the list, or add a new one if needed. Word will combine the sources together inside the same citation so they appear as one grouped reference. If your style requires it, Word may separate them with semicolons or format them based on the citation style you've selected, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago. Make sure both sources are included correctly and that the punctuation looks right before moving on. If you want to double-check the formatting, click on the citation and review the source details to make sure nothing is missing. This is especially helpful when you're citing multiple studies, articles, or books that support the same statement. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue writing your document and repeat the same process anywhere else you need more than one source in a citation. The key is simple. Insert the first citation, then immediately insert the second source within the same parentheses. That keeps your references organized and makes your document look polished and accurate. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.